Welcome to your new 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Crestview, Florida. This charming house features modern LVP flooring throughout, perfect for easy maintenance and a sleek look. Enjoy the privacy of a fenced yard and a large backyard, ideal for outdoor activities and entertaining guests. Take advantage of solar panel savings to help reduce your energy costs. Relax and unwind on the patio, a great spot for enjoying the beautiful Florida weather. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to make this house your new home. Conveniently located with easy access to Eglin AFB and Duke Field, this home is a must-see. Contact us today to schedule a viewing. Call 857-290399. View rental requirements or apply at www.rentwithbsr.com. No smoking or vaping. Dogs may be allowed with some restriction and a $400 non-refundable pet fee. No cats. Fees: $50 per adult, 18+ application fee. Landlord Liability Policy.